Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Techno Tech channel. On this video we gonna install the famous application builder, Flutter. For the peoples who's not know about Flutter. Flutter, it's a programming language, can let you build iOS, Android, and desktop applications. And this is how you install it. Open browser and search flutter.dev. Enter Flutter website, then go to Get Started button. After choose your operating system, in my case it's Windows. You find in this page all informations about program. If you have all this requirements, click on Get for Windows to install it, and Get is a tools you can use him to uploading your current working on the website. After downloading and install Get on your machine, go back and click Flutter Windows button to download the zip file. Is about 700 megabytes. Then extract the zip file to following directory on C drive. Now it's done, like you see it's installed. But you find a small problem. Every time you want open Flutter program, you need to localize him on machine. And this is why we need to set a path environment. So open Windows settings and write environment. Click on it. A window show up, find path on environment and add the link to bin folder located on Flutter program. If path does not exist, add a new environment name path and add the link. I will delete it because I am already adding him before. Now the Flutter program is installed on your machine. One more thing to be sure. Open command prompt and write Flutter -version. You got the version of Flutter on your machine. To check if everything okay, write Flutter doctor. This tool's on Flutter work to check if Flutter is stable with all requirements. For my case I have a little problem with Android Studio, but Flutter give you the solution. You need just to write this command and check again. So the work is done. Be nice to subscribe and smack the like button. Thank you.